Bonggang-bongga ang pagpirma ni Bella Padilla as certified kapamilya at sa kanyang kontrata sa Star Magic. At dahil nga dito ay mas mapapalapit siya sa kanyang mga best friends na sina Kim Chiu at Angelica Panganiban. Sobrang happy si Bella dahil ito ang simula ng kanyang pagiging certified kapamilya at certified Star Magic artist. At napapost pa nga si Bella Padilla sa kanyang mga social media accounts at isa na nga ay sa X na kung saan sinabi niya na salamat kapamilya. May heartfelt message din si Bella sa kanyang Instagram account at sinabing, "Thank you Star Magic Philippines and Direct Lauren for waiting for me. Not a lot of people know, but the few times you've spoken to me over the years opened so many doors for me. I said it to you before and I'll say it again, over and over again. I'm joining Star Magic because I believe in you and your vision. If you were in a different agency today, that's where I would be signing. Thank you for making me feel seen and heard always." At sa kanyang pagperma ay nabanggit niya na gusto niyang makatrabaho sina Kim Chiu at Angelica Panganiban sa isang pelikula. Kaya talagang excited ang fans ng Ang Becky. Sabi pa nga ng fans seated for Ang Becky series or movie, "It's great to have you back, Bella Padilla. Congratulations." Sabi naman ng isang tagahanga, "Another daughter of Direk Ronan is here to stay. Can't wait for Ang Becky project and the suspense thriller Friday the 14th, hoping with Kimi please." Sinagot naman ni Bella na thank you, the movie with Kim had a different title. Friday the 14th is different. Ito naman ang sinabi ni Ma'am Sibel.
I should work with Angelica and Kim. So I would like to work with Angelica and Kim because, they're two of my best friends in the industry. I've never worked with either of them, but they've worked with